Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Yasir Bablani. Today my topic is all about AI, artificial intelligence, and it is a very interesting in terms of the new launched application which has revolutionized the whole world, that is Chat GPT. Maybe you have heard the name, but that such technology have revolved the upside down the whole world. And the interesting part of that is basically it is created with with a very real sense of thing that we wanted to sense or feel. Suppose in case of you wanted to look forward to do something and you do not have the solution, you go to that website and do something and write something, you will get the very appropriate answer. So in this regard, I'm going to tell you what this AI is all about. Before I proceed to explain you this, I wanted to go with this website where you can have a look. OpenAI as a platform, they have given such sort of where what basically that all about is artificial intelligence, where it is a contained with a lot research and consisting lot of profit based and parental based company which is giving a lot of information, and the one who has the CEO of this company, that's Sam Altman, and the one who has been gathered with the group of people, that's very well known. All the company was founded with the goal of developing and promoting friendly AI, because it's been collaborative work, so the people are been already, you know, the familiar faces. Basically, what is AI? I wanted to let you know that AI is basically artificial intelligence, is basically the human wanted to make the machines capable that they can, you know, that they can decide what is right and wrong. On the basis the human can take the decisions. This is what the most important development in the 5th generation. Example, if you wanted to go to that application, how it works, that is an AI based application, and it's interesting. So just write down, and if you have opened your browser, you can just write down Chat GPT over here. For example, you can write it down and then you will find it some, and here you go. I click on the first openai.com, that is the link. That link take you to that website. Okay, this AI based application, which very sort of a very interesting application for anybody. Go to that, click over here, and now suppose if you wanted to, you need to create your account. I have already created my account, that is why it is directly opened over here, but you need to sign in your account. Now suppose if you wanted to say anything over here, you will get the very appropriate answer. Look at this, how this answer has been there. I'm like very quick, very sharp answer you can see there. And now if you wanted to give a kind of a equation, like any kind of equation, like suppose I'm going to write down 2 plus 2 multiply by 6 and divide by 45. Look how it is faster they're going to give the answer for it. Look, that's a very quick answer they're going to give you. Here you go, that's a very quick answer. I'm like any mathematical equation. Look, here you go. If you wanted to write, if you want a while loop of C program, that can generate the sum of a program of it, possibly. It might be some definition or something which is a very interesting to know about it. Anybody who wanted to see that's a code, even though they're going to generate the codes. Look, that's incredible. That is incredible. I'm like they're giving an example with all that particular definitions. Wonderful. Similarly, if you wanted to, even if you wanted to open something or you wanted to grow some business, new business ideas. Look, going to give you a very quick, sure, here you go. Let's look at this, how going to give you the new best ideas. So even though any kind of thing that you wanted to get the answer, very appropriate answer, it would be a very interesting. I mean, like anything that you wanted to search and wanted to, you know, get the answer and a very appropriate answer. Only thing that, you know, which is offensive. Okay, something else you wanted to look, for example, how to make tea, or anything, whatever you wanted to look forward to get it done. I mean, like that would be a best idea. I mean, like, look how quick it is. I mean, like the best way to deliver it. That's incredible. Any question, any program, any business idea, any names, anything, even if you are feeling bored and you have no clue, then chat GPT would be your best friend, more than a best friend. So this is today's video. That's all about this chat GPT and AI based application. I hope you have enjoyed it, you learned it, and I wanted to carry on that learning. Inshallah, I'll come with that new interesting video for the next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.